Welcome to US Solid. In this video, we will demonstrate how to wire your 5-wire motorized ball valve. Connect the yellow wire to your power supply's positive terminal and the blue wire to the negative terminal. When you power it up, the valve will automatically open. If the power cuts off, the valve stays exactly where it is. If you reverse the polarity by swiping the wires, the valve will close. The main difference between 2-wire reverse polarity and the 5-wire motorized ball valves is that 5-wire ball valve can be connected to 2 separate indicator lights, so it is simple to see if the valve is open or closed. We will show you an example of wiring the valve with a DP/DT switch and 2 LED lights. Take your DP/DT switch and connect the power supply wires to the middle terminals. Attach the valve's blue and yellow wires to the outer terminals on each end of the switch. One side of the 2 lights should be connected to the positive power of the DC plug. Black wire from valve is connected to the negative pole. Connect the positive terminal of the green LED to the green wire of the valve, and the positive terminal of the red LED to the red wire of the valve. We use a DC power plug to connect the switch with the AC to DC power adapter. Flip the switch to open, the valve will open, and the green light turns on to confirm it's locked in position. Switch to close, and the valve will close while the red LED lights up. Even if the power goes out mid-operation, the valve holds its last state. Thank you for watching. For more details, visit www.ussolid.com.